set you free. Well, I need to hear by me, because in the midnight hour, she comes more, more, more. With a rebel yell, she comes more, more, more. Wow, in the midnight hour, babe, more, more, more. With a rebel yell, she comes more, 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 more. I walk the wall with you, me, 1,000 miles with you. I drive your tears of pain for money to burn with you. I sell my soul for you, babe. For money to burn with you. I'd give you all and have none, baby. Just up, just up, just up, just up. Let me hear my beat. Because in the midnight hour, because more, more, more. With a rebel yell, because more, more, more. In the midnight hour, babe, more, more, more. With a rebel yell, she got more, 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 more.
Stanley. Oh, you're doomed. You really don't want to come up here. It's a setup, man. I got it, I got it.
After midnight, rocking till the dawn, loving till the morning. I'm gone, I'm gone. I took the city by 1 a.m. Rolling, rolling, been again, done it again, loaded. In the night, in the neon light, that's when the men can move just right. I said, living after midnight, rocking till the dawn, loving till the morning. I'm gone, I'm gone. Get the CD, Coleman's kid, rolling, loading, crediting on every deal, loading, loading. Coming out from victory to day. That's when it ripped up into break. I said, living after midnight, rocking till the dawn, loving till the morning. I'm gone, I'm gone. The electric sparking steel, loaded, loaded. It's getting hot by the hour, loaded, loaded. In the nights and the moon in, the joint something, but it will begin living after midnight, rocking till the dawn, loving till the morning. I'm gone. I'm gone. Jimmy, you come up drum, man. Come on, dude. It is Jimmy, right? Okay.
He's going to try and drag me through one more.
How is everybody feeling out there tonight? Are you alive? Are you sure you're alive? Wake up! We're gonna do some old school blues. ZZ Top. These lights are so bright, I need some shades. I'm gonna go out there and get me some cheap sunglasses.
I tried to Google this in the parking lot, but I ran out of juice. So I'm winging it.
We got this.
He's asking how it goes.
Alright, I'm dragging these guys through this one. Hey, this is jam night, right? Alright.
This will teach you all to come
So
to a
we're
jam
allowed
night.
to screw up if we want to, right? Alright then. Live on the internet for the world to see. This here is cheap sunglasses. A 1, a 2,
Watch.
a 1, 2, 3, 4. When you wake up in the morning and the light has hurt your head, first thing you do when you get up out of bed, hit that streets of running and try to beat the masses. Go get yourself some cheap sunglasses. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Morning and this light is hurt your head. funky kind of Levi's and a sweater's kind of tight. No strut that was sweet as molasses, but what really knocked me out was the cheap sunglasses. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Yourself some big black frame with a glass so dark they won't even know your name. And the choice is up to you, cause it comes into classes. Dark some chains and cheap sunglasses. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Thank you guys for coming out. There's a lot of people out here. There's $1. There's $2 in here. $3. We'll get them. Okay.
You don't want nothing to do with us.
We are on the World Wide Web. Mr. Chaz right here. He's got his own equipment. Give me a couple bucks, man. Give him a couple bucks. There you go. Thank you very much, Stefan. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. He does it for the love of music. He comes out here. Thank you, guys. I got it.
Yeah. Me. Ah, I got it. All right, whenever you're ready. He come on flat top, he come grooving up slowly. He got two eyeballs, he one holy roller. He got hair down to his knee. Got to be a joker, he just do what he please, yeah. He wear no shoe shine, he got toes and football. He want monkey finger, he shoot Coca-Cola. He say, I know you, you know me. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now. Over me, over me. Over me. Let's do one more. He bad production. We got Wallace Gumbo. We got on the sidewalk. We want spinal cracker. We got feet down below his knee. Hold you in his armchair. You can feel his disease. Come together. Over me, over me. Wow! He roller coaster, we got early warning, we got muddy water, we want mojo filter. He said, one is three. Got to be good looking, cause he looks just like me. Come together right now. Over me. Over me, over me. Wow! Come on here. I said, come together. Said, come together. Woo. Come together. Yeah. Come together.
Sam, is that a specialty coming together?
Yes, it is.
No, it's the next new porno.
Yeah.
Come together.
The next new porno, I love that.
Where's Jerome at? Is he hiding? I just need a cable.
Jerome, smile so I can. Oh, there he is. Thank you, my friend. Ken, come on up, brother. Richie, I need you.